Hello everyone, how are you? I am so excited to share this with you today. Amazing tips and tricks for budding YouTubers. We have great surprise for you. In the Corporate Trainers channel, we had something very different today. This is not about training, this is about how to get successful in life. Although this is an extremely beneficial learning video for you all, but this is about how we cracked the monetization of 1000 subscribers, more than 1000 subscribers, 6000 plus hours of watch time in less than 1 month, all because of the love and affection from you all. Alright, and we are going to share the things that we did, and also we have a great opportunity for budding YouTubers as well who have very small subscriber base. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end. We will going to show you the proof as well as to how we did it, and we are going to share with you some top 5 tricks and hacks that we use to do this. Alright, stay tuned. Let's get into our computers now. Okay, so we are in our computer now and you can see the screen. I hope reachout Consulting, the Corporate Trainers. That's the name of the channel. We welcome all our members with the open heart. Now, I am starting this video by thanking you all. Why? Because we want you to subscribe to our channel right now. And I'm telling you this because of some purpose. And this is going to be, an opportunity for small and budding YouTubers who really want to make it big, and also you can start monetizing your videos in next 48 hours. You got it right, in next 48 hours. Okay, for that you will have to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon. Okay, here's the screen. We are giving it to you. I'm telling you an amazing opportunity coming up for budding YouTubers with very small subscriber base, but they have good numbers of videos put in there. They are not getting views, their channel is not getting monetized. We are going to give you that opportunity. That is obviously not going to be for everyone, but obviously for serious budding YouTubers who have not been able to crack the 1000 plus subscriber base and the 4000 hours of watch time, which is the YouTube's policy to get your channel into the YouTube's partner program to get your videos monetized and make money from there. But that will all come to you if you only subscribe to our channel, because today we are going to tell you the top 5 hacks that we used to get our channel monetized and approved by YouTube in less than 30 days of time. The next video that I'm going to put here is going to be on how you can do it, and we are going to give that opportunity to you. I'm telling you, we are giving that opportunity to you, to the serious YouTubers who have very small subscriber base. But you will get to know only if you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon, because that all is coming in the next video as to how we will help you. Today we are going to tell you the tricks that we use to get our channel approved in less than 30 days of time. Alright, we are also going to show you the proof, because as they say, the proof of the pudding is in eating it. So we're going to share with you towards the end of the video the approval that we got in really record-breaking fast time about how to get these subscribers, and also how we designed our content, what was the kind of content that people really liked, and they watched our videos like anything. Alright, by the way, this is no rocket science. Alright, I'm telling you the tricks today, and if I can do it, which means reachout Consulting, if we can do it, so can you. Okay, now the hack number 1, I just did it. You have to open the video with a great thumbnail which invites your audience to click and come and watch your video. I'm sure you would have seen my thumbnail, and I'm telling this to you, that's the hack number 1. You see, you have to have a beautiful entrance, like 5-star hotel. You need to have a good ambience. From the outside itself it should look great. Then only people are going to knock that door. Then only people are going to come inside your hotel. then only people are going to watch your video. So you need to have a great thumbnail. That's the gateway, that's the entry to come and watch your video. So that's number one. I also did it, we also did it in Brain Now Consulting, and I'm telling this to you. You should learn. If you don't know, you should learn to make great thumbnails, because that's how you invite the audience to watch your video. That's hack number one. Number two, YouTubers want money. Okay, I may be wrong. Not everyone is doing this for money, but majority of us do it for money, because YouTube pays you for making videos and people watch those videos, and then YouTube runs advertisements on your video. Okay, so that's a revenue model for them, and that's a revenue model for the YouTubers as well. So YouTubers want money, and if it is not about money, you're going to lose this game, honey. So please, if you are a YouTuber who are doing social service, you don't want to monetize your channel, you are just doing for the good of people, that's okay, then this slide is not for you. Okay, but if you are a YouTuber who really wants to make money, and by the way, there is no harm, that's the reality and that's the truth. There is absolutely no harm in making money. You can make this as a career choice if your channel really grows. And how will your channel grow? We are telling you the tricks today. So that's the hack number two. YouTubers want money, and you'll have to tell them how to make money. Most watched videos, if you go across and search, are the videos which tell you, how to crack the YouTube algorithm, how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get before 1,000 hours watch time. Why do you think these videos are super hit? Millions of views on these videos. Why? Because they have understood what the audience wants. A lot of audience wants to see how to make money. If you go and search for new business ideas for 2021, you will see videos with hundreds and thousands of views, maybe some billions of views on business ideas. Why? Everyone wants to make money. So that's the hack number two. You should talk about money. This is a corporate trainer channel, but we talk about money because at the end of the day, you need money to run your family, to run your business, to have a good, happy living life. Okay, so that's the hack number two. Number three, don't waste their time. Okay, so you would have seen some YouTube channels for something important, which is just maybe a 30-second nugget that they have. They will make a 10 minutes video, with all that background and telling you stories, diverting from the topic, and in the end they will tell you a small trick. Most of the viewers lose interest in the first few seconds when they come onto your channel. Okay, so if you stretch it too long and you don't give them the information that they want, they will leave. You see, give them relevant information. Don't waste their time. Content is the key. You need to have great, wonderful content on your channel. Okay, there should be some takeaways for them. There should be some learning for them. So don't create a YouTube channel with the mindset of just making money. There should be some content in it. People should feel happy about it. They should learn something when they come here. They should get some genuine advice from you. Okay, so give them the real gold. Give them those tips immediately. So that's the hack number three I am giving you, and I am giving you really fast. You see, I'm not wasting time. I am doing this as I am saying. Okay, walking the talk. Is it late to have a YouTube channel now? Because it is 2021 and YouTube is running for a long time, and all the top YouTubers have got that biggest share of the pie, and it is too late for new YouTubers to do that? I am telling you, absolutely not. We have cracked this, and we've done it in a record time of less than 1 month. How did we do it? Because we focused on our audience, because we focused on our content. And if you see, new content is required almost every day, and that is why new YouTubers are also required every day. If you are a YouTuber who's got great content, you know about something, there's something that you can talk about, do that. By the way, please do not copy other YouTubers. Do not make a channel thinking that that channel is making a lot of money, let me also make the channel. Please don't do that mistake. What you have to do is find your interest, your liking, your hobby, your passion, create a channel around that, because you will never get bored of those videos that you're making about your passion, your hobby. Don't be a copycat. Create your own niche, create your own different channel which is different from others, and give them that knowledge, that gyan. Be the guru of what you are doing. So new content is required every day. Alright, so it is not too late. You are just at the right time, at the right moment. Start a new channel today. If you've already started, get these hacks right. Okay, now the hack number 5. Video means video. Okay, why? See, you are not sitting in a classroom giving a lecture. This is not a classroom where students will take long lectures of 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours from you. People come to YouTube to get really quick and fast information in very short period of time. Make small videos, unless it is really required, then make a long video. Okay, I also make sometimes some long videos, but I make sure that I put so much of valuable content in there that they really watch that video. However, the advice is that you do not make very long videos. People do not like it, because your thumbnail also shows, the length of the video. So generally people sometimes do not click on a video which is 38 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes. They look for smaller videos with very, very great, speedy, crisp content. Okay, so video means video. People are coming to watch a video because they want the information fast. Otherwise, they would have gone and read a book. Yeah, they could read a 200-page book if they have that kind of a patience. No one has that patience now. Everyone wants to be really quick and fast. So you need to make small videos. You can always make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos on the same topic, but make them and keep them small. Okay, hack number 5. And now the bonus hack, hack number 6, free of cost. What is the bonus hack? Always give them something extra. So you see, we talked about 5 hacks and I'm telling you the 6th one. 6th one is a bonus. People love freebies. They love something when they get it for free. Give them something extra. Alright? Over promise and under deliver is something that is absolutely not going to work on YouTube. Under promise and over deliver. For example, in the beginning of the video, if you remember, I said I'm going to give you 5 tips. I am giving you the 6th tip, and this is the bonus. What is the bonus? That's the bonus, that you give something extra to your audience, to your subscribers, make them feel good. Everyone loves when they get something extra. Keep it short and simple. Do not waste their time and give them some extra bang for the buck. Now, some very important nuggets for you. If you are a small YouTuber, you need to subscribe to the small YouTuber's channel. Whatever goes around comes around. Okay, if you are not going to subscribe to a small YouTube channel and you are also a small YouTuber, why will others subscribe you? Okay, so subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon now. That's number 1, and do it for others also. Small YouTubers need to be encouraged. Okay, we need to have a community where we help each other. See, subscribing doesn't cost you any money. It is absolutely free of cost. What do you have to do? Just click on the subscribe button, press that bell icon so they get the notification. That's it. I'm sure you have done it for me now. If not, please do it right now as I'm telling you this. Number 2, ask for help. Asking for help is don't be ashamed. Okay, never be ashamed if you want to ask for help. How? You can ask a big YouTuber for tips and tricks. How? Put those comments there. Leave a comment for the new YouTubers as well as for the established ones. If you leave a comment for a small YouTuber, you will not imagine what is the kind of happiness that a new YouTuber gets when you put in that comment there for that YouTuber. And similarly, others will also do it for you. When others will do it for you, I'm telling you, you are going to really love it, you're going to like it, and you're going to respond to every comment initially. Okay, so it is always a good idea when someone puts in a comment, you respond to that comment. Number 1. Number 2, ask for help. Like I was saying, how will you ask for help? either through a comment if they have given their mailbox or mail ID or some Instagram ID. Use that, ask them some tips and tricks and questions as to how can you grow your channel. How can you grow your channel? Most of the YouTubers are not secretive. They are going to reveal their secrets. They share their subscriber base, they share their earnings, they share their watch hours. Everything is very, very transparent here, and that's the beauty about YouTube. Generally people do not share their salaries, how much salary one is getting and how much money the other businessman is making. But on YouTube, that's the difference. People really love to show all this because they know that this is something that is going to get them more audience, more watch time, more likes, more comments, more hits on their video. Yeah? So please subscribe to small YouTubers, ask for help, leave a comment for big and small YouTubers. And here is the proof without further ado and without making you wait. You can see the date here, my dear friends. We started the channel, I think, on just the beginning of June, and here's the mail. That's the approval from YouTube, and that's the proof I was talking about. You can go to the about section of our channel, see what we have written there and when have we started, and here's the mail from YouTube. So thanks to YouTube for doing it really fast for us, but also thanks to all of you who've been watching our channel and watching our videos and giving us those likes and thumbs ups. And in the end, I would like to say, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do that, because the next video that I am going to make for you all is going to help the new YouTubers immensely. You will not believe the kind of offer that is coming for new and small YouTubers in the next video. So please subscribe to our channel so that you get to know as soon as we upload that video. Thank you so much for your time. Till we see you next time, take care, be healthy, be safe. Thanks. Bye-bye.